Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction, minus 9 plus 9 times 10 whole divided by 9. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead. Here, minus 9 plus 9 is equal to 0, so 0 times 10. And we know, if 0 multiply with any number gives us just 0. Now 0 divided by 9, it gives us 0. But according to math this method is wrong. Now our correct path for this fraction can be written as minus 9 plus 9 times 10 whole divided by 9. And now according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. So first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to handle this parenthesis. We take this PEMDAS from left to right, and inside this parenthesis we have an addition, subtraction and one multiplication. So multiplication has higher priority than addition and subtraction, so according to this rule. First, 9 times 10 which equals to 90. After here minus 9 plus 90 equal to 81. Now 81 divided by 9, which gives us just 9. So our final answer to this problem is just 9. Friends, if you understand this question, then like and subscribe to stay connected, and also share it with your fellows.